homemade remedies for bladder infection. Bladder infection is one of the urinary tract infections that can affect both men and women. If left untreated, this infection can likewise reach the kidneys and the prostate organs. Women who are from 20 to 50 years old are the most commonly affected by the bladder infection. Infection occurs when microscopic organisms spread out on the urinary tract. Women get the infection easily because their urethra has a short length. Infection can also be traced from the use of diaphragms or douching agents. It can also be caused by a host of different reasons like diabetes, poor hygiene, dehydration, heredity, the presence of kidney stones, spinal cord injury, holding back the urine, and having an enlarged prostate. The warning signs of bladder infection may show one or two of the following symptoms like strong urine odor, fever with feelings of discomfort, bloating, pain when urinating, constant urination within the day, pain in the lower abdomen, presence of blood in the urine, burning sensation while urinating and immediate urge to pee. Women are the most common target, although men can have it too if they have an active sexual life or had sexual anal intercourse with someone who has a bladder infection. Pregnant women are also prone to experience the ill effects of the bladder infection. In severe cases, people who suffer from bladder infection are generally prescribed to seek immediate medical attention. However, bladder infection and its symptoms can be alleviated with the help of homemade remedies. Here are tried and tested home remedies that are affordable, practical, safe, and can help treat bladder infections. 1. Drink water. Undeniably, this is the top treatment for bladder infection and the most easily accessible. Water is an ideal purifying agent and aids in flushing out the unsafe microscopic organisms in the body. Along these lines, drink lots of water for a swift relief from bladder disease. Take at least 8 to 10 glasses daily. 2. Apple cider vinegar. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, as the common adage goes. The fruit may do wonders for the body, but the apple cider vinegar is a great provider of enzymes. It is also loaded with potassium, other helpful minerals that can keep the microbes that cause UTIs from duplicating or developing. It best serves as a natural antibiotic to lessen the infection of the bladder. How to use: mix at least 2 tablespoons with a glass of water and take this every morning on a daily basis. Just sweeten it with honey, or you can add squeezed lemon for a variety of flavor. 3. Cranberry juice. Making it to the third spot, cranberry juice is a proven effective treatment for bladder infection. The proanthocyanidins found in cranberries keep microscopic organisms from spreading out to the walls of the urethra and prevent the growth of bladder infection. It also serves as an effective antibiotic and flush out the bacteria that cause the bladder to get infected. Drinking big portion of cranberry juice daily is one of the most straightforward approaches to treat bladder contaminations. For those who already have a severe case of bladder infection, a stronger dosage is recommended. Drink up to 4 glasses daily to prevent the bladder infection from affecting the kidneys. However, if you've been diagnosed with kidney stones, consumption should be discouraged. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries have microscopic organisms repressing elements that can help prevent bladder infection. The antioxidant properties empower the immune system, and they eliminate the growth of microorganisms that aggravates bladder infection. Try adding them to oatmeal or cereals during breakfast, and try not to add any more sugar or artificial sweeteners to acquire its all-natural benefits. Having it as is brings about great results in diminishing the symptoms of bladder infection. 5. pineapple. The enzyme contained in pineapple called bromelain helps build up its anti-inflammatory qualities that can help lessen the symptoms associated with a bladder infection. Taking a cup of fresh pineapple or drinking fresh pineapple juice will help treat infection of the bladder. To avoid preservatives, which are common on canned products, prefer having the fresh variety than buying the packaged or processed pineapple. Preservatives and additional chemicals may aggravate bladder infection. 6. Baking soda. Adding at least 1 teaspoon of baking soda in your drinking water can greatly contribute in lessening the pain associated with the burning sensation for people who has an infection in the bladder. The acidity neutralizing function of a baking soda solution can help accelerate recuperation from pain. Consume this once or twice daily. 7. Lemon juice. The presence of blood in the urine signifies a worsening situation of bladder disease. Taking a daily dose of fresh lemon juice can prevent kidney disease and bladder infection from progressing to a severe condition. A regular serving of this can also trump out the burning sensation as UP. 8. Garlic. Consumption of garlic can help battle infection in the bladder. Prefer the raw variety as its antibacterial properties are proven effective in eliminating the symptoms of bladder infection. Do not take the fried variety or the garlic chip products sold in groceries, but prefer to grate a piece of garlic and consume it as is. Garlic can be mixed with lemon and honey for a more potent combination. 9. Parsley. Parsley helps in treating the aggravation because of a bladder contamination. It can be mixed with other dried herbs when cooking, but avoid having it overcooked. Fresh parsley and its antibacterial benefits are best absorbed when incorporated into salads or blended with other fresh vegetables as green juice. Take this day and night to help flush out the toxins in the body and bacteria in the bladder. 10. Coconut water. Gather 2 pieces of fresh coconut and save the juice, then refrigerate. Fresh coconut water is more advisable when seeking help and relief from the urinary incontinence usually experienced when one has an infection in the bladder. Avoid adding sugar or milk to absorb its natural healing properties. Coconut and its natural elements not only nourish one's body but also cleanse the kidney and the urethra.